Let's check. Who's playing peekaboo? Peekaboo! What's that? It's a little cow. What does a cow say? Moo! Moo! Can you moo like a cow with me? Moo! 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 Good job mooing! This cow is a baby. Baby. We call a baby cow a calf. Mommy! Where's my mommy? We need to help the calf find her mommy. Do you see the mommy cow? Yeah, she's under the tree. She's under the tree. Let's call out Mommy, and maybe the mommy cow will hear us and come over. Mommy starts with M. M makes this sound. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Let's say it louder. Mommy. She's walking over. The mommy heard us and she came over. Mommy, mommy. Yay! She found her mommy. She's happy.